So this is the molecular modeling lab. First, we're going to do N2. So if we look at here at the periodic table, we see nitrogen has 5 valence electrons. So that means that it has a total, if there's 2 of them, they have a total of 10 valence electrons. So we have to model it. So first, we draw the 2 ends right here. And then since that 10 electrons that it can share, right, with each other, you got paired bonds, 1, 2, 3 bonds, which is equal to 6 electrons. And these two nitrogens follow the octet rule, meaning that each nitrogen has to have 8 electrons attached to it. So if we count, this nitrogen right here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to it, and this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to it. So the octet rule is good. And then we have to make sure that both of these have 10 together, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so that works out too. Now we have to build it. So if we refer up here to the instructions from the lab, you see that nitrogen is the blue block, so we take the blue block right here, and then we take the amount of shared bonds, which is 3, right here, and then we just have to build it. So we take 1, 2, 3, take the other one, we attach 1, 2, 3, and then it looks something like this. Put that down. And then bonded pairs, look over here back to the table, we see bonded pairs on central atom. Central atom, there's 1 pair bonded to it. If you look here, unshared pairs of E pairs, so there's 1 pair right here. So these 2. Shape of the compound. So we have this table right here, and we can see that if there are 2 or they're in a straight line, that it's a linear one. So we go linear right there. And now for the polar and non-polar, first we have to do is we have to refer to this electronegativity chart, and we have to see that. Yeah, first we have to see that nitrogen has a weight of 3. So, and there's 2. So yeah, that means you get 3 minus 3, which is equal to 0. If you look here, if it's less than 0, that means it's A minus B, which means it's non-polar covalent. So what we have to do is we have to write that it's A minus B, which means that it is non-polar covalent.